Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will talk about the shape layer properties. So shape properties are similar to the video layer properties. You can see that. So we have contents and transform, which we will talk about further in the video. In the transform below that, we have an anchor point, which is the first topic. So what is an anchor point? If you press V in this, then you can see the anchor point here on the screen. Let me just zoom in on the shape. So this is the anchor point. If you select V, then we can adjust it according to ourselves. I pressed V button. So now I can adjust the anchor point. I can adjust from here. You can see that. So let me put it in the middle of the shape. So now if you do rotate or scale, it starts from the middle. For example, this is the scale. Now it starts from the middle part only. And if I change its position, it starts from the middle point only. That's the use of anchor point. You can change it as shown on the screen. Then we have scale, as I already said how to increase and decrease. Then we have our rotation. You can turn to the left or right. It's all up to you. Now let me reset it. Then we have opacity. Opacity control is like transparency control. You can see that clearly. Let's talk about anchor point a little bit more. You can set the anchor point as per your choice, middle or either on the side. If I set the anchor point here on the side, so when we rotate, it rotates in this angle. Let me set the anchor point on this side. You can see that this looks a lot good. Let me reset to the middle. It gets a better angle. In the middle basically, so this is about the shapes properties of After Effects. This is how you can use the shape layer property. From here you can make keyframes and animate your positions. We will talk about it in the next topic. So let's jump into the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.